Time travel videos are a new niche that has millions of views and of course generate a lot of money. This TikTok account is new, but it has still gone viral in a short time. Do you want to create videos like this? Cool. After you finish watching this tutorial, you will be able to create the same videos too.
Guys, I think I actually found Atlantis. Look at this city behind me. It's glowing under the ocean. I can't believe I'm standing here right now. Okay, this is officially the coolest market I've ever seen. They're literally trading glowing crystals and sea creatures here. This crystal is powering the entire city. It's like some kind of ancient super reactor, and it's humming. Wait. Look behind me. That thing outside the dome is huge. I think it just noticed me. Something is very wrong. The ground is shaking. The whole city is flooding. I think Atlantis is actually sinking.
First, go to ChatGPT. Go to GPTs and search for the time travel vlog. Choose between the options. I chose Atlantis and hit generate. ChatGPT immediately starts generating prompts for the images and then prompts for the images to videos. After ChatGPT generates all the prompts for images and videos, go to freepik.com, click on Image Generator and choose Nano Banana Pro as a model. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt of the image and paste it into Freepik. Repeat the same process for all the photos. After you finish generating the photos, go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt of the video. Go to Freepik and click on the video generator. Choose Kling 3.0 as a model. Put the first photo as a frame. Paste the prompt. Choose the quality of the video, the duration of the video, the aspect ratio, and turn the volume on. Hit generate. Repeat the same process until you finish generating all the videos. You can generate for free using Google Flow. After you finish generating, download all the videos. Go to Capcut or your favorite video editor, import the videos and make any edits you would like. Then export the video. Subscribe and follow for new videos.